I would like to invite their attention, the attention of these materialistically oriented Muslims, to this equation. The equation is E is equal to mc square, which means in simple language that energy is convertible into mass. I should make it simpler. Energy is something non-material. Energy is not something physical. Energy is not something which you can say is like this microphone or like this table or even like my body. Energy is something non-physical. Mass means a physical characteristic. Energy is convertible into mass, and here I would like to repeat what I said, that according to Islam, the entire universe and every human being is a process of the transformation of quality into quantity. It is originally what Einstein calls energy, and beyond that something which Einstein was not able to find out, finer than energy, pure quality, or pure thought as Berkeley called it, or as the great Islamic Sufis, who were the only truly comprehensively enlightened people in the history of Islam, as they said, that the entire universe is only a manifestation of the attributes of God. It does not exist by itself. We, the Ahl Sunnah wal Jama'ah, believe about this universe. This we have been taught by Sayyidina Imam Abul Hasan al-Ash'ari, who formulated our creed, that this world is la ayn wa la ghayr. It is neither God himself. This universe is not a part of God. The moment you say that this universe is a part of God, you are committing sin. You are regarding God as something finite, and it is blasphemy. Only a finite thing can be conceived as divisible into parts, not an infinite. Because the moment it is divided into parts, it becomes finite. You will cut the part at somewhere, and you will take off the part from there. It will be, the infinite will be reduced to finite. And to say that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is finite is kufr. So it is la hayl. This universe is not the same as God. It is not a part of God. Wala ghayr. It is also not other than God. How could it be other than God? If you say that this universe is other than God, then you are affirming two entities. You are affirming something eternal side by side with God, and you are a mushrik. So according to the creed of the Ahl Sunnah wal Jama'ah, the world is la ayn wa la ghayr. How to conceive it? The world has proceeded as a contingent accident under the will of God, from God. Saying it further, simplifying it further, I should say, in order that you may be able to understand, all of you, that the world originated in the idea of God. It existed as idea, so to say, in the mind of God, and when He willed it to become tangible and to crystallize, it has been undergoing the evolutionary process towards tangibility, becoming coarser and coarser and coarser until it becomes, to us, matter, which is tangible and solid. I don't know whether you are following what I am saying, but you will have to follow it in order to understand the Holy Prophet Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam.